Hey beauty, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you effective oil and some other things that you can combine together to apply to that area to increase the back side and front side. Yes guys, this oil and what I'm going to be adding as well is so very effective if you are a patient type, if you are a patient person. I know that because of what I add is little bit scary, or because of the smell and so on. Yes guys, but you have to try it if you really want to increase the back side and front side. This oil is so very effective. You have to use it to massage that back side and front side 3 times a day. A good massage, a right massage for that back side and front side. Yes guys, make sure that you watch this video to the end to see everything I add to this oil. It is so very important. You have to combine all the ingredients very well for you to get that effective result, and give that back side and front side a good massage. Yes guys, without not wasting much of the time, keep on watching. After transferring it inside my jar, this is how it is looking like. Yes, as you can see, this is how it is looking like. As you can see, this is how it is looking like after transferring it inside my jar. Thank you very much for watching this video to this extent. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that post notification bell for you not to miss any of my video whenever I upload. I would love to see you in my next one. Bye.